In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate through HubSpot to view the property history of a company. This is essential for anyone who wants to track the changes and updates made within their CRM system without losing track of important data. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the user guide on HubSpot, which is your central hub for all things related to user management. You can do this by going to the HubSpot site and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the user guide section. It's usually accessible from the dashboard page, ensuring you have a smooth start to your learning journey. When you're in the user guide section, the next thing you'll need to do is click on CRM. This is the heart of the HubSpot system, where customer relationship management takes place. Once you're in the CRM, you'll have access to various tools and options to help manage your contacts and track your interactions. After accessing CRM, locate and click on Companies. This is where all the organizations or businesses you interact with are listed. You'll have a complete view of different company profiles, and this is where we'll track our property histories. Clicking on Companies will give you more options to drill down into specific data points and interactions related to individual companies. Now, moving forward, you'll want to click on HubSpot within the Companies section. This will bring you to a detailed view of the organization's information. Here, you can access specifics about your interactions with each company, including emails, calls, and meetings that are tracked and logged in the system. Next, you will need to click on Actions. You'll find the Actions button at the top of the company's detailed profile page. This section gives you different functionalities that you can apply to the company record you're viewing. From sending emails to logging calls, this menu is quite versatile. Finally, to see the changes made over time to the company's profile and properties, click on View Property History. This option allows you to observe how the company's information has evolved. This can be particularly useful for tracking down any discrepancies, understanding historical changes, and ensuring accuracy in your records. Thanks for following along with today's tutorial on using HubSpot to view company property history. Make sure you take the time to get familiar with the platform, as it will greatly enhance your ability to manage and utilize your customer data effectively. We hope this video was helpful and encourages you to explore the numerous possibilities within HubSpot's comprehensive CRM tools. Keep practicing and see you in the next video. Sing and abos and